What is up, YouTube? This your boy Fade Fave. I got my guy Salvi in the video. Really easy haircut tutorial. Taper. He's trying to grow out the shag in the back. Let's get to it. Here I got my foreguard with the lever all the way closed. I'm going with the grain. Now I'm going to create my first guideline, creating an arch from the middle of the ear to where the C cup begins. In this next step, I got my magic clip with the lever all the way open, going up about ½ an inch, and a scoop out motion so I can have soft guidelines. Got my 1½ guard here with the lever all the way closed, going up ½ an inch, also with the scoop out motion. The reason I do this, it makes my haircut easier, gives me softer guidelines, softer white lines, whatever you want to call it. Just makes the haircut easier for me to do. These next couple steps, I'm going to be using my #1 guard and also my ½ guard, which I'm using right now. And there's going to be a lot of play with the lever, opening and closing. So basically, the darker the spot, the more I'm going to close my lever. I got my 1 guard with the lever all the way open. I'm just going in the dark spots, clean them up. The darker the spot, the more I close my blade. Here I got my thinning shears, just taking out some of the bulk, lighting up some of the dark spots to make the fade look smoother, give it a smoother transition. Just taking out with the clipper, didn't take out. I got my lever all the way open, using the fade down technique. As I get closer to my last guideline, I close the lever a little more. Let me know what you guys use. If you like my technique, if you don't, let me know what you think about it. As you can see, I got my lever all the way open. I'm opening and closing it, and I'm just playing with the lever a lot, trying to take out the bottom guideline, trying to take out the dark spots. If you made it through the whole video, thank you for watching. This was my haircut. Really nice, easy taper, easy techniques. Let me know what you guys think about it. Also, thanks for the feedback on the last video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate it. Also, you can follow me on social media. I will put it in the description down below. Stay tuned for the next video. I will try to upload more often. I'm just really busy right now. But thank you for watching. God bless.